International tourists arrived, but were left disappointed with lack of facilities at RT-PCR testing zone. Well, this indeed a good sign as after 2 long years, charter flight landed in Goa, bringing in 159 tourists from Kazakhstan, Russia. However, the tourists were left high and dry due to RT-PCR testing facility that is open at the basement of multi-level car parking facility next to the integrated terminal building of Damalim International Airport. The RT-PCR testing center at International Airport lacks various facilities, and it could be a biggest threat to spread COVID-19 and recent variant Omicron virus. The international passengers were put to surprise with such type of inadequate facilities placed at the airport upon their arrival in the touristic state of Goa. The passengers have requested the concerned authorities to make provision of RT-PCR testing facility inside the airport premises, which is available at all international airports in the world.
Well, actually, I have done PCR test before my flight, yeah, and I'm vaccinated. So I don't understand this, and this not well organized, see this crowd. I'm so happy to be in India for like 2 years. I haven't been here, I missed India so much. I love India, but this is not good.
How do you feel that this facility is comparatively in other countries and in Goa?
Very bad.
Very bad.
Yes, very bad. Not organized. See this crowd, and I don't understand why it's needed because I had PCR test already. I came with this, and it's like 72 hours for it. And I'm vaccinated. I have a passport to vaccinate. Why do I take the PCR test again?
How long time you are standing here after landing at Goa airport?
I think already like 2 hours and a half.
RT-PCR टेस्ट साठी फॅसिलिटी एअरपोर्टवर भितर आसता सर खंय मल्टी लेवल कार पार्किंग आणि फॅसिलिटी पळोवपाक दिसता तितून ऑलरेडी लायनअप जाल्ले आसा थंयसर आतां ते आतां ऑफिस देवाक 1 वर जालो सगळें लायनीन रावल्ले आसा RT-PCR टेस्टाची फॅसिलिटी लागून ते खंयचे तरी राज्यांतल्यान येता हांगसर पूण तेंकां वेलकम करता बरे भशेन वेलकम केलें तुज्या बेड लावन आनी कितें लावन पळोवपाक लागलें गोवा गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ इंडिया एक्चुअली बरी एक तेंकां फॅसिलिटी दिवपाची बरीच गरज आसा हांगा चेअर सुद्दां अवेलेबल ना चेअर्स आसा खंय तरी पयस आसा
बिल्कुल जैसा कि आप खुद भी यही एक्सपीरियंस कर रहे हो कि फैसिलिटी के नाम पे तो बहुत कम चीज़ें हैं और जिसकी वजह से टूरिस्ट को काफ़ी दिक्कतें आ रही हैं और वो लोग उतरने के साथ ही मतलब डिसअपॉइंटेड फील कर सकते हैं। इसके लिए हमें कुछ करना चाहिए था एयरपोर्ट अथॉरिटी को भी और सभी लोगों को मतलब कि उन्हें एटलीस्ट अनकम्फर्टेबल ना हो।
मनी एक्सचेंज का यहाँ पे पूरी
हाँ, मनी एक्सचेंज भी एक प्रॉब्लम है, अंदर भी नहीं है मनी एक्सचेंज और यहाँ पर भी नहीं है। अब कोई भी फॉरेनर जो बाहर से आ रहा है, इंडियन तो है नहीं कि उनके पास कुछ पैसे होंगे, तो उनके पास कहाँ से आएंगे इंडियन रुपये। और कुछ लोग होते हैं जो कि कार्ड भी नहीं रखते हैं, तो उनके उसको भी देखते हुए जो है यहाँ पे मनी एक्सचेंज की फैसिलिटी होनी।
Now, as far as this thing is concerned, we are having 10 swab collection points.
Okay.
We are having 46 machines for testing.
Okay.
We are having 8 registration counters and 4 cash collection counters. Now, there are certain issues which they themselves are not aware. The thing is that this country from which they have come has been shown as red in the Air Seva portal.
Okay.
So yesterday evening we told them, please tell all your passengers that they have to mandatorily go for testing on arrival.
Okay.
So probably this was one of the things which many of the passengers were not aware that they are going to have the test to be done with them, which they could not convey. The second issue was there is a language barrier with them. See, when you get UK people, they speak English or Hindi, but these tourists are having the language which is not spoken by any of us out here. I myself went to the MLCP at 9:30.
Okay.
First passenger reached the MLCP at 7:45.
Right.
And when today we have tested 156 passengers.
Okay.
So from 7:45 onwards, when I reached there at 9:30, all the swabs were taken, all the reports were given except 20 numbers.
Okay.
So you just imagine by 9:13 within 2 hours, 2 hours 15 minutes, 156 tests were conducted and reports for 20 only were pending. When I went there, I saw a lot of passengers are sitting there. I asked these operators, these people who are handling these passengers, but when there are only 20 test reports left, how come so many people are sitting here? The reply given to me was, sir, since they are in groups, so if one test is left, the rest are also sitting here.
Mm-hmm.
So that is one factor. Then I told them, they all who have been tested and whose reports have been given, you please ask them to leave this area and go to your buses. You are unnecessarily crowding this place. And then they started moving out people.
And sir, in terms of that area, it's not so such like the airport area.
No,
So
it cannot be like the airport area, no?
yeah. So any other arrangements in future, because since
There is no other area available with us except MLCP. Now in that area, washrooms are available, charging points are available, fans are available, drinking water is available, tea, coffee, snacks are available. So whatever the basic needs are there, more than 250 chairs are available. And I was surprised to see one thing today. When UK flight comes, nobody removes the chairs here and there. People sit on those chairs maintaining a distance. But today I saw in the morning at 9:30, people have clobbered up. They have removed the chairs. They have put the chairs in groups and all that. On the back side of the MLCP on the end, I saw people making merry and kind of thing. So I have told these operators that they have to be very careful and very diligent while handling these people. They must tell their passengers that they have to maintain a decorum in the MLCP as well as all the COVID protocols, which includes the social distance norms also must be maintained, because if anybody is positive by what